widely known as Netaji, is known for his role in India's independence movement, a participant of non-cooperation movement and a leader of Indian National Congress and the founder of Azad Hind Fauj. Subhash Chandra Bose studied from Presidency College in Calcutta and Scottish Churches College. Later, went to the University of Cambridge in England for the preparation of Indian civil services, but he resigned and returned back to India to participate in the India's independence struggle. He was jailed 11 times during the independence struggle due to his radical activities towards the British government. Bose also wrote for the newspaper named Swaraj. He was a progressive thinker and wanted women to enlist in the Indian National Army to fight for their country. He was inspired by the thoughts of Vivekananda and Ramakrishna and was indulged into social services. Unfortunately, Subhash Chandra Bose died an untimely death on 18 August 1945 due to the severe burns and injuries from a plane crash while returning from Second World War. Today, on his birth anniversary, we remember one of the bravest hearts and an honorable leader who had strong views and worked till his last breath to save his motherland.